Welcome everyone back again to another tutorial, and in this one we want to change iPhone hotspot password. So let's get into it right now. The way that it works is that it can very easily be managed. So when you open up the settings on your iPhone, and right below the connectivity sections like for the Wi-Fi and the cellular, you should see the personal hotspot settings as well. And in there you have one option to allow others to join, but below it directly you have the password, which you can manage and change to essentially whatever you like. Obviously there are some requirements for the password, but this is where you can change it. Of course, keep in mind that the devices that were able to have access to your Wi-Fi network are going to be required to change and retype the password again if they want to connect. So it is a good way to prevent people from joining your network to change the password. So that's always a good idea. And I've been using this to reset the connection. Sometimes it happened to me that I wanted to share the Wi-Fi to my Mac or whatever, and it didn't work. So I just changed the password, meaning that the connection had to be reset and I had to retype the new password on my Mac, and then the connection was established as a new one and it got reset and worked better. So this is a great tool to have, and that's something that you should know about it as well. So that's it. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. For more videos, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the future one in the upcoming days or whatever you stop by. Anyways, thanks a lot. I'll see you later.